Sekta mar jua kali mamboleo showground kachiel kod johand bepe gi loche mag kuoyo mawuok kondele boma Kisumu ibiro dar ka itero alwora ma Kibos ma biro bedo kaka industrial area ma Kisumu. Jatend boma Kisumu Bala Wanga olando magi okang' machielo mar bero boma no. Millicent Adhiambo miyo waler.
Under development control, we are going to focus on architectural designs. Nyerere Road is still not clean in Kisumu. We hope under the new growth zone to transfer Juakali sector to Kibos, which is now going to be industrial area. We hope to deal with the clean, dirty estates like Manyata Arabs. We need to urban regenerate Moscow Estate, upgrade Tomboya, those are very good estates. Bus stage, we'll need to only have the Jubilee shopping mall there, crossing to the old district hostel, which I requested my governor we should relocate it, but he said, no, we can't, because it serves major parts of Kisumu, but we can upgrade it to a CBD standard. We have the Kondele area, which should be a 24-hour area. You can do whatever you want, any business, any time of the day and night. So we need to convert it, but still it's not so clean, it's dirty. We need to make the surrounding look beautiful. So it means that all those people selling timbers there, trucks, should be in Kibos near the industrial park. Mlimani, we have said development cannot go beyond 4 floors. Don't go doing skyscrapers in Mlimani. That is our diplomatic estate.